Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix volume on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So if you go ahead and click on game library, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix volume on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. Right now, go ahead and click on sound. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio for TV speakers, and 3D audio for headphones, and lastly, volume. So first of all, go ahead and click on output, audio output. And then here, make sure you choose your output device. Then here, you're gonna find switch output device automatically. I recommend you guys to enable this option. You're gonna find HDMI device type. And once you finish, go to volume. And then here, as you can see guys, you can adjust your volume. Go ahead and select your headphones or your output device. And then you can either increase or decrease its sound. Once you finish, just go back and then all of your changes will be saved and your problem will be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.